Yes, that would be the best.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Excuse me, sir. Now can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please.
Sir, in that timed programming assignment, is
Yes,
it till week 4 portions or week 5 portions also, sir?
it would be not specific. It would be up till for week 4. Yes, but it will not be specific to 1 week.
Okay, sir. So week 5 topics will not be asked, or
Don't
we should study the week 5 topic and then attempt.
wouldn't say not to study, but to study for. But for the exam, it is up till week 4. The programming assignment would be also up till week 4.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I hope I'm correct, sir. The time to programming assignment is till week 4.
Yes, yes. So the content will remain till week 4.
Yes.
So questions will be based on the till week 4 concept in
Yes.
first timed assignment.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Risan, I'm leaving. I have another session. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So guys, this session mock test is not graded. No, of course, no mock test is not graded. It is for your practice and for your benefit. We have given a mock test. Okay. Uh, so I would suggest that you solve them because it is kind of like how the questions you would face in exam. It gives you a very good, what can I say, a very good practice ground for quiz. This is for the quiz. It gives you a very good practice ground on what you need to expect and stuff. See, wherever there are programs, I would say without doing a programming, without copy pasting the code into an editor, I would suggest you to actually go through. We get compiler for the code based program. See, you don't get a compiler in the sense you don't get access to a coding platform. You have to understand the code and write it from your own understanding. You won't get access to in your quiz. You don't get access to code compiling platform. If that answers your question. Okay, good, fine. So this is on week 1 to 4 revision. So we'll be covering most of the topics like about for example, whatever you have doubt, it will be best if we go by week 1 to week 4. Let's go in that or let's go week 4 to week 1. I think so that will be more better. I think so, right? From week because week 4 will have more kind of things. So let's go from week 4 to week 1. All right, and we'll clarify doubts as soon as you guys have them. So good. I hope everyone has understood the template what we'll be following today. All right. So any questions from week 4, any of you guys have, please raise your hands. This is for week 4. Let's discuss them. We have good time. We'll spend good time to revise whatever doubt you guys have. Ask as much doubt you want based on syllabus so that you guys get revised for your quiz. Okay. So who wants to ask a doubt? Is there any doubt in week 4? No one has any doubt. Okay. Week 3.
So I'm having doubt in for loop.
Okay. Sure. What is your doubt?
I didn't understand the for loop.
You didn't understand the for loop as in the whole concept?
Yes, sir. All the loops I didn't understand.
You haven't got any loop. Okay. That is fine. What we can do is we can revise the loops. Fine. 1 second. So okay, present. Okay. So everyone can see my screen, right? Okay. So for loop, Okay, first a second. Do you understand what a loop is?
Yes, sir.
You understood what loop is. Okay. Have you done any programming language other than C?
Yes, sir. JavaScript and Java.
Okay. In that there is for each loop in Java script.
What, sir?
There is a for each loop.
No, sir.
For loop in JavaScript. Are you telling me you have not have you not seen them, or do you believe there is no loops and for loops in JavaScript? Okay.
I did some code in JavaScript, but I am not that perfect in JavaScript.
Fine. So even Java has for loop. Fine. For loop has this syntax. Okay. For loop will have a counter variable, which you can define as, say, for example, here I'm defining I is equal to 0. There'll be some terminating condition. For example, here let me say here I want to print numbers starting from 1 to 10. Okay. So my I should go up till 10. Yes. And then at every step, the value of my I should increase by 1. So I put I plus plus. All right. Then print f the value of I is percentile G I. Okay. See this. Did you understand this much?
Yes, sir. I understood this, but I don't know how for loops and other loops executed. I didn't know the basics of the uh, execution.
Okay, but you understood this much, right?
Yes, sir. I can write also.
Fine. Now you know what while loop. You know what while loop.
Yes, sir. If certain condition is true, then the loop will execute.
Uh, but over there in a while loop, the decrementing or incrementing statement should be within the while body that you mention yourself. All right. And if I run this, you can see here. See 10987. You understood this much. You understood, no? Now you understood something, right? For loop.
Yes, sir.
Or ask me what is your doubt. Otherwise, that will be better. Don't tell me you don't understand the whole thing. No. Tell me which part of the thing you are not understanding in for loop.
Sir, in the increment and decrement part, I have doubt, and that part
What is
always
it?
have any problem. And sir,
Like you
this
have to decrement or are you having a doubt that should you decrement or increment?
yes, sir. In both, sir, I, I was confused for those lines.
Okay, I'll get to you. I'll get to you. Wait a second. Let me just do ask some other person as well. Yes, Vipul, what is your doubt? I'll get to you.
Sir, can you tell me please what is I plus plus? I am little bit confused in it.
I plus plus.
Yes, sir. I am here.
I plus plus. Okay. Let's revise postfix, prefix, and okay. So let's declare one variable for a game. Int count is equal to 10. Okay. This variable done. What is postfix? Let's do prefix first. Prefix. Okay. Prefix increment is what? Prefix increment prefix. Guys, pre means before. Okay, so plus plus count if I do, and now if I print the value of count, what will be my answer here? Can you guess, please? Whoever asked me throughout, please try to guess. Can you guess what will be the value here?
It will increase by 1, sir.
Exactly. So that you understood?
Means, sir, pre means first it will increase the value, then it will store it, and post first
No,
it will store it, then it will.
one more variable. Let's say some other variable. Let's put other is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write other equal to this one. Let me print the value of okay. Let me just see here. Did you see this? The value of other is 11. The value of count is also 11. Fine. For prefix, in this, what happens is first count gets increased. Prefix means first count will get increased, then it will assign value to other. Okay. Now in the same thing, if I make it postfix, all right, and if I do this for postfix, it will be like, okay, and I'm just going to take them here and then not declare them again, of course. Let's put here print prefix and okay. See this, what is the difference? See, in prefix increment, what happened? The value of count was every time count is 10, other is 0, no change, okay? Guys, there is no change there. Okay, let me just clear this. Okay, in the first place, the value of count became 11. Same others value also became 11. But in the other one, postfix, it first gets assigned. See what is, just think, no, which one is near to this? Other or other and count is near? No, of course, this is not a logic, but if you get anytime confused, other is equal to count plus plus. So count is near to other. So first the value of count gets assigned here. So what is the value of count? First 10, that got assigned to other, then plus 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 happened. So count's value became 11, others value became 10. See here. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And whenever plus plus, it is 1. All right.
Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sometimes we wrote, sir, just a count plus equal to, then what's its meaning, sir?
Count plus equal to. Is that there here? Okay. You're saying like this?
Yes, sir.
Count plus is equal to you're talking about this, right? Huh? So what happened here is count plus equal to other means, okay, this means that count is equal to count plus other. Did you understand? This count
Yes,
plus
sir.
equal to other means count is equal to count plus other. Okay. This plus,
Yes, sir.
I'm adding count to count. Count will be count in itself plus other. Okay. See, you want to add other to count, correct? See, this is nothing but Nothing but here. I'll just give you one more. If we have, say, some other variable int result, okay, say imagine result is equal to count plus other, correct? You're adding two numbers, fine. Now result stores the value of count plus other. Instead of doing that, imagine you want to increase count by other, okay, you will do like this and assign it to count itself. Otherwise, what you'll have to do, then write count is equal to result, correct? Did you understand this?
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
Instead of doing this elaborate 3 steps, you can just write like this, okay?
मतलब सर इसमें पहले जैसे अदर से काउंट अदर की वैल्यू मिल रही है, फिर अदर की वैल्यू नेक्स्ट फंक्शन में ऐड हो रही है काउंट के साथ.
In this, like, yeah, okay, but imagine, now let's make this more interesting. Let's imagine this is like this, okay? What will happen? Tell me what will happen now. Let's not run the code. Before running the code, let's guess what will happen now. What will be the value of count? Tell me what will be the value of count.
सर काउंट इज इक्वल टू काउंट प्लस अदर इज इक्वल टू अदर, नहीं अदर में फिर एक प्लस होगा.
Just tell me what will be the value of
काउंट.
what will I get output here? No worries. If you're wrong, it's okay. Tell me your answer. It is fine. Unless you don't do it by yourself, you won't understand. So just tell me what will be here. What will be the value? Initially, value of one count is 0. Other
Maybe 10.
It will be 10. It will be 10. You're saying it will be 10.
Yes, sir, sure.
Right. It will be 10 only. Why? Because, but others value became 1. Did you see this? Now
Yes,
if
sir,
I
yes.
again here, now what will be the value of count?
10 and other की 0.
11 and 1.
Maybe.
11 and 1. Plus other. Now other will be incremented before being added to count. Now other will be incremented before being added to count. See, before it was, there is big difference. Yahan plus, writing plus here and writing plus there has big difference. We need to pay attention to that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this? See, plus means, I told you, prefix. First it will increment, then see, just think, this is a statement, no? In the semicolon, this is a statement, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once this statement finishes execution, then if it was like this, once the statement finishes execution, then plus happens. Okay? If it
Yes,
is like this, once in the other case, first it gets incremented, then this expression gets executed. For example, if I had some, say, int something else, put some value 1, okay, then if I wrote something else plus, now what will be the value? Tell me what will be the value of count here?
Sir, 11.
Count, if you have, exactly.
नहीं 12 sir, क्योंकि something else की
Why?
value 1.
Something else की value 1 है, but other is being
Sir,
yes,
वो
12. Yes,
11.
12. Yes, 12, correct. Okay. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
understood.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Fine.
Sir, I have a
Any other
doubt in this.
In this one, only. Please ask.
Yes, prefix, postfix.
Postfix, like I
No.
told.
Uh, I have doubt like say if I have a variable v equal to count plus plus and the initial value of count is 10, then because plus plus have greater precedence than equal to, shouldn't
See,
the value of v should be 10?
precedence does not apply to postfix incrementing.
What?
Precedence, precedence, okay,
Okay. Yeah.
not apply to postfix incrementing.
Okay.
It will increment later, but it will increment, but not in that statement.
Okay.
Okay. Let us do one more confusing example. Imagine, guys, think what will this be? What will be the value of count now? Will this run? Will this run? No,
I don't think so.
it won't run.
Equal to this will give L error
But
something.
if I do now, what will be the value of my count?
Living.
Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
What was the value of other? No, let's remove this also. Wait. What? See here, count I'm adding to other. But here, just think here, even though this happened, count's value changed. Did you understand this? This is if this happens, what will be the value of count? Who would think
10.
after this count value got increased? No,
Yes.
but
Yes.
imagine this gets executed first. Count's value changed. Then count got this thing got assigned. Now your precedence happened. What will be first? Equal to assignment is first or last? Assignment is last, no? Assignment is last. Right? So first plus plus needs to
So
happen.
first plus plus happens
Then
and then equal to happens.
yeah. So your precedence here it value. You understood?
So here the precedence works.
Here precedence was.
Okay.
Here count plus plus I did. Now value of count should have been 11, no?
Yes.
I'm sure where you want to show the plus plus everything, right? But here what is the value of count? In this statement after executing execution 10, but it should be 11.
Yeah.
There your precedence was. Okay?
Sir, count was 10 and other was 0. So count is equal to count plus 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 other should be 10 plus 0, that is 10. So count never increment.
The count didn't increase.
Count didn't increment.
No. See, what happened is this got executed.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Then count's value
Changed to 11.
then this previous value got attached to count.
Yeah, count is now 11.
So, sir, count's
No.
value did increment intermediately, but we reinstated its value through this expression.
To
So
the
that
other
is
one.
why.
Yeah, see that is just I'll write step one. Okay, step one. Okay. Okay, see, step 1. I'll just put 1 here. Okay, 1. What happened was it finished executing this. Okay, you understood this part, huh?
Yes.
Now counts values what? Like
11.
we expected it. No, postfix. This is the expression's value. The value of the expression. The value of the expression. Don't think count got incremented.
Okay,
Okay.
so count is 10.
Now count is no. Forget count. I'm telling you, just focus on only this. What I'm
Okay.
highlighting. What is the value of that? What is the value of that?
11 plus 0. Sorry,
I count
11
the
plus
value.
1.
Count is 10. This is
Oh,
postfix.
okay.
This is 10 plus 0 is equal to 10.
10.
And next step, what happened? Count plus plus happened. The postfix happened. Okay?
Okay.
Postfix happened. Now what is the value of count?
11.
11.
Okay? But now the top one comes to assign it. You get my point?
I didn't understand this point.
See, this first part happened, no?
Already happened it that.
No, this expression's value got decided. That is happened.
Okay.
The expression values happened. Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
The count got changed here. That happened. But
Okay.
assignment of this value to
Okay,
count
so
didn't happen.
in the first step, the assignment didn't happen.
No, expression got evaluated.
Okay, got it.
Expression got evaluated. Okay.
Yeah. And in the when other gets incremented,
Other, see here. No, I'll just run this code again. See, other gets incremented though. Here,
in which step?
here, any step you take. Now we are looking for counts value. No, this second step only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
1. Sorry. Done. Understood.
Yes.
11. Is it very clear now?
Yes.
How postfix happens?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me revise. Postfix always happens after. It happens before assignment, but after evaluation. This is word evaluation. Okay. Fine. This is
Yes.
assignment. Did you understand this?
Okay.
Happens after evaluation, but before assignment. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Any other, now next slide. Please raise your hand and wait. Okay. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt in PPA 3 of week 4. Sir, I have a doubt ki how to define piecewise function.
Okay. You're telling week 3 PA3.
Yes, sir.
PPA3 is GRPA3.
Sir, PPA 3.
PPA3 there is piecewise function.
Sir, week 4.
Week 4. Okay. All right. This is piecewise function, no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Piecewise function. This is mathematical actually. I'll just quickly go through this. New file. Okay, fine. Here, piecewise function. Let me just take this. Okay, f of x is x plus 2. F of x is x plus 2 when explicitly when 0 less than x less than 10, which means shortly, when x is between 0 and is 10 included? No. 0 and 10, which means what? When x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If the input x is 1, 2, whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is float value, which means 1.1 sub that all will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I'm just making like example. This is example. Okay, it's not exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you need to output x plus 2. But when x is less than or equal to 10, x is less than or equal to 10, x is greater than or equal to 10, which means x is 10, 10.1, 10.2, 11, etc. Then the output is what? Tell me from the question. X square plus 2, correct? Okay. And now otherwise, what is otherwise? What condition has not been covered here? They have gone from 0 to 10, then from 10 to positive infinity, correct? They've covered. Yes. What is otherwise here? Guess. Anything less than 0? No. Any value is x less than 0. Huh? Minus infinity on the. Okay. When anything is less than 0, what should you give as output? Otherwise, output is 0. Okay. This is piecewise function. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Yes, Kananda.
Sir, this was week 5, right?
Week 4.
Okay. Which concept was this? Sorry, I got disconnected. I couldn't.
This is piecewise function. If he asked me what is piecewise function in mathematics, there's a question in week 4, PA3, over there. They're given a piecewise function, how to do. That is it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is Kananda? What is your doubt?
Sir, I am having doubt in GA with 6 number.
EA week 4. I can't discuss the answer for this because due date is still there. Today due date is there.
Sir,
What is your doubt?
sir, just explain the for loop, sir. Please don't share the answer.
This is week 4 question 5. What?
Question 6.
Week 6. Okay. This is a nested loop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just explain a nested loop. Nested loop here. Okay. All right. Did you understand what I'm doing here? I'm printing. numbers from printing from 1 to 10. Okay, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you a question. You have understood. Okay, fine. Now, instead of printing from 1 to 10, I'm printing the tables of from 1 to 10. Okay, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
And now what I need to do is, now what I'm going to do is, you know what is multiplication tables, right? If you don't know, it is like 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So what is multiplication table for 1? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Did you understand this, what the multiplication table is?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I need to print up till 10, like up till, like for example, I need to go like this, and I'm going to print up till 1 into 10 is equal to 10 for all numbers from 1 to 10, which means 10 into 10 is equal to 10. Up till there I want. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you get my point? I want to print tables of 1 to 10, 1 stable, 2 stable, 3 stable, 4, 5 stable, everyone's stable I want to print. Okay, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now that is what we're going to do. Now we have started 1 here. Okay. Now what will we, now we need to print the table. For now, let's define some variable. Say j is equal to 1, and up till 10 I want for every number. No, so j less than or equal to 10. Or let's make this more interesting. Let's say j is equal to I. Okay, j less than or equal to, up till how much will j go to, which means it will be 10 into I. Okay, and every time the j's value will be increased by what? J plus is equal to I, because see, what is 2? 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Correct? You understood that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Print f the value, or okay, then print f percentile d into, okay, x, let me get x percentile d is equal to percentile d is equal to percentile d, comma, I'm going to write first one is I, then for b I want some variable here also, so I'm going to write int j is equal to I, comma, I'm showing a very complicated example, just bear with me here. Okay, k is equal to 1, comma, a plus plus, and then k equal to I, comma, k, comma, j. Okay, then of course I want to do a new line, then this is printed, then printf, I'm going to put a line here. Okay, let's run this code and see. See this. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Table of 1 is, table of 2 is, this is nested loop. In this loop, I'm running another loop which takes this value. See, this is a complicated example, and I know many more people have it. I'll go one by one. Have you understood, Sananda? Fine. People, what is your doubt?
Sir, can you explain this code in little bit more?
What part do you want to do?
Sir, this for loop part which you have written there in 12, 13, 14, 12, 13,
That is
12
the
to
main
16.
program.
Yes, sir. मतलब basically what you did, मतलब.
Have you understood the output? What I want the output is?
Yes, sir.
That you understood, no?
Yes.
Okay. Just let me just make this more pretty.
Sir, in that
Yes,
6
please.
number question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that 6 number question, I didn't understand the part that j equal to plus 2. That part, that increment part, I didn't
That means it
understand.
is being, okay, fine. Here, what is j being incremented here? Forget that question. I can't discuss that question. But come here. What am I incrementing j here? There I'm incrementing 2, but here I'm incrementing different for every case. No, I'll go through this once. Okay, bear with me. Just listen. Fine. Now here, okay. Now here, see first what happens. Let's take the case of 2. Okay. Can you see? Everyone can see this now. All right. Good. Now our value of I is what? I is 2. This much everyone understood. Now, what is the starting value of j? Now, what will this loop become? Huh? What will that loop become? Indirectly, it has become this. Correct? Indirectly, it has become now this. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So, first value is 2. Now, I print 2. See, the value of this one is 2. J is last, okay? See, first value of 2 is 2. J is 2. Then in the next iteration, what did the value of j become?
J become
4.
4.
Which means I'm adding how much to j now? 2. Now in the next iteration, what will value become j? 6. Which means it is getting incremented by how much? 2. Okay. I defined k is equal to 1. I initiated k is equal to 1 here. Then I'm doing k plus plus. Okay. Every time I'm going to make sure k is equal to 1. I'm initiating here. See, I'm in this for loop. I'm declaring one variable, but using two variables in the loop. Okay. K plus plus, which means how much? K was first 1 when j was 2. Now k is 2 when j is 4. K is 3 when j is 6. This is how this happens. Has everyone understood?
And sir, how
See,
we
when
getting the multiplying sign in between them?
that I'm putting here. No,
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, why didn't you use multiplication?
because I wanted to show you how j gets incremented by dynamically. In my actual code, I didn't write plus equal to 2. No, I did like this. I wanted to show you if this is like this, how will it work?
Okay.
I'm showing you complicated examples so that I can cover much more theory. Okay. And everyone understood this now, how I printed table. See, neatly it has come every table. Okay. Any other doubt? Has everyone understood this nested for loop now?
Sir, I understood the for loop, but I didn't understand the algorithm.
Tell me, what am I doing here? You know, instead of multiplying, I can add numbers. For example,
Okay, so you are doing repetitive addition.
yeah. So 1 into 3, 1 into 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Correct?
Okay.
So I'm adding the, but here when I'm doing 3 into 3, what should I be adding to it? 3 into 4, let's do. Not 4, huh? It'll be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Yes, I have to add 3 how many times? 4 times to 3 itself. So 3 into 3 is how much? So now do I have to add every time 4 times? No, no. So 3 into 3 was how much? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So to get the next value, I just need to add, this is what this will essentially become. Can I write like this? Huh? No? So I just need to add 3 to the last multiple, correct?
Yes.
So that is what I've done here. But
Okay.
up to the 10th part, it is going repeating.
So like 2 into 3 will be 3 plus 3, and
No, 2
so
into
you
3,
are
2 plus 2 plus 2.
no. I am saying that you are adding the previous multiple to the
2?
current.
Exactly. Will be, for example, if the previous one was 4, I just need to do this. No, instead of again doing all the 3.
Yeah.
Yes, what is your doubt?
सर सर इन 21 लाइन सर आपने जैसे परसेंट डी क्रॉस परसेंट डी इज इक्वल टू परसेंट डी लिखा है तो सर ये किन तीन वेरिएबल्स के लिए लिखा है आपने मतलब बेसिकली
I, K, J.
देन सर जैसे आई की वैल्यू 1 है और फिर तो जे की वैल्यू भी उस टाइम 1 है और के की वैल्यू भी तब 1 रहेगी देन अगर आई की
But
वैल्यू
then when I has changed on the top loop, when I has changed in the value of the top loop, what will become now J's initial value?
2
We see the 2 table, right? 2, I is 2, J is 2, what is K? 1.
yes.
Then K gets incremented in the next one. So K becomes 2, but I'm not incrementing I here anywhere. So I remains the same. But
Yes,
once
sir.
this much is completed, I again improve the value of I, incremented value of I. See, now 3 is stable.
And
But
every time j is adding to previous one.
exactly. See, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Come on, everyone in their childhood, they wrote the tables like this, then added like this, no? You
Yes,
would
sir.
write 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. I don't know, you guys wrote number table in your life. But when you would write, then
Sir,
it's easiest way to write it.
I used to memorize the
Yes,
table.
sir, yes. Still, sir.
This is easy way to fill it out. Yes, rather than be memorizing everything, you just write it 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 13. Correct. So that itself trick I used here.
Sir, you used that trick in your childhood,
Of course.
but no one ever taught that to me in my childhood.
I think so. My friends taught it me. I didn't find this on myself. So, but discussions apart, you have understood what this program does. Nested for loop. Have you understood? This is a very here. Remember, I've done with 2 variables. At every step, 2 variables are being manipulated, and then I'm doing this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's look at mocks unit. Right? Let's see mocks unit. We'll please don't say out the answers, anyone. Okay. I think so. Which will answer? No, right? Okay.
Sir, on 7 July we have class, so the class will be held.
No, that day's class is not here.
Okay.
Okay, guys, register memory location. You guys understand? You guys know what it is, no?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, any negative marking in qualifier exam?
No. No negative marking, guys.
Sir, what are the important topics for qualifier in C program?
Everything.
Sir,
Sorry. Trust me, this is less. You will have more when you go ahead. You need to be. Come on, guys. You're doing a program from IIT. Come on, you can't expect important questions.
Sir?
You're doing a program from IIT. Don't expect important questions.
Sir?
You will have, for example, it will be mostly somewhat relatable to your graded assignments. Okay. It will only come from your syllabus. It will not come anything outside of your syllabus. All right. Only study what has been given, but study it well, understand it well. Okay. Let's do operator precedence. That is something I think so you guys will have doubt on. For example, okay. This everyone understood. Now I'm going to move this out. Okay. So imagine in the result, let's initiate one. Then let's put int a is equal to 2, int b equal to 3, int c equal to 5, int d equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now result is equal to a plus b divided by c minus d percentile a. Okay. What will be the answer of result? Tell me. Who wants to do this? Okay, first anyone can tell me which has the highest precedence in this?
sir, the division one.
Division
What
and
about
module.
model?
Yeah, they are in the same category, so we need to see associativity.
But the associativity is from left to right, so the division will happen at previous.
Division is first.
I'm asked. Okay, I got all the facts. Which is the first one? Just tell me one operator. The name of one operator.
Division.
Division.
Okay. Let's do it here. So A is how much? 2, right? Everyone agrees that that came out. Okay. B is what? 2 divided by 5 plus minus B. B कितना 7. I'm just substituting them. Just like, okay. Now what will I do? 3 by 5. What will I get here? Tell me.
0.
0.
Okay. Fine. That is gone. This is gone. So now what is left? I'm going to write in plain text, right? Minus 7 percentile. Now who has precedence?
7% 2.
What will that be?
1.
Everyone knows it is 1. Anybody
Yes, sir.
doubt? You have doubt it is 1?
No, sir.
Now what will happen, guys? Now straightforward addition and one.
Yes, sir.
We are right or wrong? We are right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood operating precedence now. Which operation have we missed? Oh, we missed multiplication. Let's put into C. Now let's do like this now. Into C. Into C. Okay, guys. So how will now this be? Now you have done. Now which one will you do first? First you did division. Then you did
Yes.
multiplication. Now will you do multiplication first or a modulo?
Modulo.
Module.
Why? Why are we doing modulo?
Because they have same precedence, multiplication and modulo. So we
what
have
will
to
we do?
consider the associativity, which is from left to right.
This same
Left to right.
This will be same only. Only have to multiply here.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
E is 5. Okay. So now I'll do what? Now 2 plus
2 plus 0
0
minus 5.
minus 5.
5.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what is the answer? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Okay. Result is equal. Okay. Who has the next doubt? People. Yes. Everyone. Anyone else has doubt? Please ask.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why we don't multiply first? And basically,
Because it is something called operating precedence and it is from left to right. You need to see associativity is from left to right. Okay.
sir, can you repeat, please?
I'll repeat. See here. What is first? Tell me what is the most important ones. Let's do that. No, there is division. Clearly, it is more important than addition. Correct? You understand that much?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Modulo is also important, but modulo is as important as division. Similarly, multiplication is also as important as modulo and as important as division. So you have three operations with same. What is the first one? Comma. Multiplication. You have three operations with same precedence. Correct?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you need to choose. It's not like this is first, this is second, this is third. No, right? All three are same. In that case, the associativity rule says you start from left to right. So the left one is first what? What is the first
Division.
left one?
Division, sir.
You will first do division. See, that's the reason I did division first. Okay. Now, since this is integer, 3 by 5 is what? 0.6. Okay. But 0.6
Yes.
in integer is what? 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I did what is next import. What is next now remaining? Now what was remaining now? Now what is remaining? Modulo is remaining. Multiplication is remaining. Both are again same. I know I have to choose one. I start from left to right. So modulo I took. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is how I did.
Sir, which rule was is that?
Associativity.
क्या sir?
Associativity.
Associativity. Oh,
I think so that let me look at other everyone knows how to come 1 second, guys. Everyone knows how to convert So you understood what this one is, right? Huh? Everyone knows how to convert binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Does anyone want me to give us in decimal to binary, binary to decimal? No, right? I'm sorry, Mr. Mihir, are you trying to speak
No, sir,
something?
no, sorry. By mistake.
Okay. Does anyone want to? Everyone understands two's complement. We did a large part. I think so in last session maybe. Any doubt in binary? This one representation. So there is something called, I think so we have not covered, is hexabit representation. Hexa representation. Is everyone able to hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do a hexabit one. Okay. So this one. Okay. Let's take another. I'll take a random question here. Okay. Fine. Imagine. Yes.
Sir, will you give a brief about what is in binary to decimal, sir? Maybe I was absent in that class.
Binary to decimal.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I'll start there. Imagine you have decimal binary number like this. How would you make this decimal? Huh? So to make this decimal, let me just put it here. 1011 is this is your binary number. Okay. Now to make it to decimal, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The formula would be 1. You start from left to right. I'm talking from left to right. 1 into 2 power 3, which is 8, plus plus 0 into 2 power 2, 4, plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. You want me to calculate this? This is 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is much 11. Okay.
Sir?
Did you understand? This is 11.
Yes, sir.
This is binary to decimal. Okay.
सर बेस
Fine.
कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं मतलब बेसिकली
बेस कोई भी कैसे यूज कर सकते? How can you use any base?
सर जो भी गिवन होगा मतलब क्वेश्चन में सर
Okay, do that. Fine.
If 16 is given, then we can use 16.
Then
sir.
it's hexadecimal.
Then it's hexadecimal. You don't use binary to hexadecimal is different. I'll go to binary to hexadecimal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Sananda, yes. Let me just finish this and I'll come back to you. Now, Sananda, please wait. I'll come back to you. Wait. Now imagine we have a binary number like, for example, 100 011 1100 1011. This is 32-bit number. Let's do 32. No, this is 4444 16-bit. Let's convert this to hexadecimal. Okay. Fine. Has everyone? This is a binary number. I'm going to convert to hexadecimal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Convert to hexadecimal. Tell me in hexadecimal up till where there is numbers from. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what comes?
A, B, C.
B, C, D, E, F.
B, E, F. That's it. G tak nahi hai. Fine. So what is A? A is what, guys? 10. E is 11. C is 12. D is 13. E is 14. F is 15. So the maximum value I can represent is 15. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Good. Now when you're given a big binary number like this, okay, and you need to make the hexadecimal, binary to hexadecimal. I'm talking about binary to hexadecimal. Okay. The easiest way to do this is divide them like 4 pieces like this. Okay. What is 1000? What is this? Tell me, what is this? This is 2 power 3?
8.
8.
Yes, sir.
What is 011? This is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this? 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. What is this? I think so. We just did this, no? 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. Correct?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So you can just write 8, then hexa representation is simply nothing but, so hexa representation you just write like the 0x, it's starting, okay? 8, 7, what is 12? 12 is C, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11 is B.
B.
So your answer is 87CB. Okay? And easily you can do this. Huh? This is understood, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Easy way to make hexadecimal binary to hexadecimal. And if you are given, say something, for example, some number, okay, like 550 or something, 200 something into, oh, 200. Put for now, let's take 11 to hexadecimal. Clearly, this will be faster. You will just write B. Correct? Huh? 11 to hexadecimal is B. No? But if some big number is given, let's make, what is this in binary? Can anyone quickly calculate and tell? This is, if I'm not wrong, something like this. Okay? You want to compute this to hexadecimal. Now, how will you do? Huh? How are you going to do this now? Tell me. Come on, guys. कोई बताओ.
सर फर्स्ट इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे.
करना है क्या? Of course, you can convert this to binary and then do. You
Sir,
can.
it's easier
I'm not
to
saying it's not.
do.
Sir, divide by 16, note the quotient
Very
and
good.
reminders, and
Very good.
keep on dividing the quotients by 16 until we get the it as 0 until the division ends, and the string of the remainders in a reverse order is the actual set that we need.
In
And
the
also we
reverse
need
order.
yeah, and also we need to convert any thing above 9 into the hexadecimal representation.
Okay. So first here, what will be? This one will be 11. Okay. This one will be 12. This one will be 7. This one will be 8. So your hexadecimal is 0x87. 12 is what? C, B. Why am I telling this? Of course, this is easy to look at, easy to compute. Doesn't mean when you're given decimal, don't go doing this. Because this is extra work. Because if you keep dividing with 2 to this thing, you're going to take, you're given a calculator in your exam. Everyone knows this, right? You're given an on-screen calculator.
Yes,
I don't, there's no modulo operator in it, but you're given a division calculator. If anyone wants, okay, just see this.
But sir, we can calculate modulo using negative and division, minus and division.
What?
I mean
For
the
example,
quotient into.
let's see, 673. Okay, let's see. 3, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3. Okay, divided by 16. You'll get like this. Or where is your reminder now?
So sir, if I 34673 minus 16 into 2167 will give the remainder.
Yeah. Or you can just do this, no? No, no, that will not be the answer. So 3, 4, 6, 7. What was the remainder? 3. I think so. The answer is 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's
You
do
had
3,
done
4.
34673 divided by 16.
6, 7, 3 divided by 16.
Answer
3, 4, 6, 7, 3 by 16 is equal to this.
into 167.
So this
16 into
into
67.
this, you just need to take 2167, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
2167
Into 16.
into 60. The remainder is 1 only. There is a mistake here. We have some error, I think so. You understood how to make this. So my calculation was correct. 3, 4. This is mistake, guys. This is mistake. You guys understood how to do this, though, right? Divide, keep dividing, keep dividing. I mean, what I'm saying is here what I made is a mistake. Just took it as example here, guys. Okay. 3, 4, 6, 7, 3. Wait. Oh, its value is. It is value is 3, 4, 6, 7, 3. Oh, 7, 6, 3. Sorry, guys. This is a bit mistake. This is 7, 6, 3. I'm sorry while typing. I wrote a mistake. Okay, let's do 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, guys. I'm just showing you how to do this fast. 3, 4, 7, 6, 3 divided by 16 is equal to, you get like this.
So your calculator is
Instead
not
of,
visible.
oh sorry, now it is visible. You got like this, right?
Yes.
Just take 0.6875. Just take 0.6875. 0.685 into 16. See, this is the reminder. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't take the whole thing, multiply, then minus. Why are you doing that? Okay. Fine. I mean, fast way to do it. Then 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, you have to divide again, right? 3, 4, 7, 6, 3 divided by 16 is this one. So now next is 2172. 2172 divided by 16 is equal to this. No. So 0.75 into 16 is, guys, 3 by 4 into 16, that is 12. Still, I'll just do it here. 0.75 into 16. 12. So next amount was 12. What is the quotient? 2163 divided. 135. I think something 135 it was. 135. Sorry, 135 into divided by 16. Next, you're getting 8. Next, you need to take 0.4375. 375 into 16, 7. Okay. You understood how to do now, right?
Yes. Yes.
That is how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Please ask. I think so. This is what mostly there in your this one mock. If I'm seeing, things I've covered. Okay, let's do this question in different way. Question is this: Let's make it IATM BS. Using 7-bit ASCII, how many bits are required? Tell me. Anyone wants to answer?
So every character is 1 bit, and there are 1 to
7-bit.
every character is 1 bit, and there are 27 characters in English letter, so 27 bits.
Sir, 42 bits. Fifteen bits.
So 28 bits.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Oh shit. Every am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think who was talking? Okay. So this is 5-bit. Okay. Every character is 5-bit.
Yes.
So can I write I as for I is the 9th letter. So 01001 because 9. This is 9.
Yeah.
Okay. Next again it is I only. So I'm going to write 01001. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next is T. Imagine T is the 10th letter of your alphabet. Okay, imagine. I don't want to count how much it is.
20th.
20th. Okay, 20th would be 20th. Tell me quickly what is 20th. This one. It would be 16 plus 4. No. So 1, 16. 16 plus 4. So 1, then 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay.
15 bits.
How many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. 15 bits.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes.
Now another question. How many bits are required for me to represent a message which has characters from A to uh, A to G, okay? A to G, 0 to 9, and space and full stop. So example is, if I have a message like, I'm asking how many bits are required for me to do this. How
5.
many bits?
5.
5 is enough. Are you telling me 5 is enough?
Sir, when in such questions, does the question mean how many bit representation system is required, or in total I have to tell you how many bits in total are required?
How many minimum bits? Let me put this no. Minimum bits are required for me to efficiently, which means you need to find a best system and how many bits I need to represent. Okay. Now it is okay. I'll give example. Example up till G, no. Bad, bad, big, bad, big, dot. Bad, big, space, 1, space, dot. Okay, tell me now.
Sir, are we representing the A to G with 7-bit ASCII?
You have to figure out how many bit ASCII you need here.
Okay.
You need to figure out efficiently. You need to.
A to G or A, B,
I'll
C,
give a
D,
very
E, F, G, 7 characters.
A to 7 characters, 0 to 9,
9 is 10
which means 0
characters.
and 9 both
Total
are
there
in
are
there.
19.
10 characters and 7
Total
characters,
30
17
bits
characters.
required in this.
17 characters, 1 space is 18 and full stop is 19.
Stop 19.
So total 19 characters which can be represented by 5 bits because 2 to the power 5 is 32.
Okay. Everyone agrees we need 5 bit. Efficiently, I only need 5 bit. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
And we
now
cannot
for
use
each
4
character
bits.
5,
We
because it's 2
cannot.
power or till only 15. No.
Yeah, it will
Yeah.
end
Up
before.
till 15 only.
Yeah.
I'll just explain. Okay, now you guys understood. Now I'll explain deeply. A to G, guys, how many characters are there? A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F, comma, G. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters. Now, 0 to 9. I'm not going to write 0 to 9. We need, let me write it out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. No, 0 is already there. So that is 10. Now I have space, which is 1. I'm going to write space, comma, full stop is 2. So to efficiently represent 19 characters, how many I need? Log 19 to the base 2. Okay, which is nothing but, how much is log 19 to the base 2? . 2. 2 to the base 2. 2 to the base 2 is 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 2. 2 to the b
Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 1
Log.
Round up, round up.
4 point
Ceiling,
something.
huh?
4.8.
Ceiling,
5.
ceiling. Okay, which means I'll take the next number.
So I just have to solve 2 to the power x equal to 19, right? That's why you are doing log.
Yeah. Let's keep it 5. Okay, 5. Fine. I need five bits totally. Okay, this has now reached. Now my message was how many minimum bits are required to. Okay, this one. Now I got 5 bits. Now to end which is characters. Message is this. This is our message. Now how many characters do I need? B is 5. 5. How many characters are there? Bad big one has space 1 word. Don't count the quotes, please. That is B is 1, A is 2, D is 3, space is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. I have 11 characters here,
Yes.
and totally I would need 55 bits. Everyone understood this.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer of the previous question is 5, right?
Fine.
I mean,
Even I'm confused.
I mean, how
Same only,
many
I'm
minimum bits? The minimum bits answer is 5, and
It's 5,
the
5, 5, 5, 5.
okay, and the
But the message
message.
is
Okay.
55.
This 55 bits is maximum bits, no?
Minimum hai.
How, sir?
For bad big one, minimum is 15, 55. Because each character I have to represent in some bits, no? 5 I'll be representing. This is the minimum I need to represent each letter in this system. So I need to now represent this whole sentence.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Each character took 5 bits.
So minimum 5 bits I need. So
Yes.
minimum 55 bits I need.
But just multiplying by 11, we will get 55 bits.
Yes. But understand why I'm doing by 11. Because I
Yes,
have
sir.
11 messages.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Let me see. Any other type question? I'm not going to discuss. Everyone understands the secondary storage, primary storage. Those things I'm not going to explain. I think so. Okay. We have done most of other things.
Sir, the ternary operator. So, will we get some complex ternary operations?
For example, are you talking about
like the
XOR operators?
no, not XOR operators.
That is logical. Yeah.
The like if else statement. There is question on ternary operators in the mock.
Which question?
Question number 9.
Okay. What is the problem there?
So,
Okay.
we
This is
can get complex if-else statements. In that way, can we get complex ternary operations? Because ternary operations at the end they represent if-else statements, right?
yes. See, we already have questions in which I think so. Yes, last time or something we had something like this. No, if y is equal to x greater than 0, what will be and x? Okay, for context, x is equal to -1, y is equal to 22. Okay, what will this be?
-1 is not greater than 0, so the evaluation will be false, so y will be 0.
So what will be the if statement? Will be if what will be this?
If will be false.
So that okay. It is never going to execute.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Not executed. This is what I think so going to be. I can't predict the question, but yeah. But if else statement, this is one thing that I can explain. So there, if you write something like a greater than b, then a equal to 3, otherwise equal to 4. Let's say a is equal to a 0, no, 3, b is equal to 2. Okay, what will this be? And let's say x is equal to this. What is the value of x? Let's solve this. What will this be?
The 3 greater than 2 is
No,
2.
no, no, wait. Just let's make it simpler first. Ah, here 3 is greater than 2,
So
correct?
yes,
And so which one will 3 or 4 will it take?
first one,
Everyone,
it
this
will
is
get assigned to x.
okay. So everyone, this is the condition. This is the syntax condition. Then if this is the true value, then this is the false value. Okay, fine. Understood. Anyone has doubt on this? I mean, this is not preferred, but if you find someone who's using it, then this is how it is. Because you would normally prefer to write if, because that is more readable and understandable. But yeah, if this is the question, then this is how it is evaluated. Any other question? Ask me doubts. I think I've covered most of the types in your this one. Any other doubt? Come on, guys. You have exam, then everyone. I'm expecting everyone to get very good marks. Then Sananda ji, you were asked. Did Sananda leave? I think so. He's left. Okay. Any other question? Any other doubt, guys? Guys, any other question? You want me to discuss anything concept? Please tell me. No doubt.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I couldn't understand the difference between for and while loop.
Or
Between for and while loop, sir, I need to understand the difference.
okay. See, in for loop, you have biggest difference. You have an incremental counter, incremental or some decremental counter. You have a counter. In while loop, you just have condition. Here condition exists and an incremental or decremental counter. In while loop, you only have condition. Of course, you can implement a counter, but in the definition, while loop itself is not used to see. I'll give you an example. Remember that palindrome question? I think so. Still, there is date for the palindrome question. Is there in your this one? No. Okay, I can't give you answer for Melindro, but imagine I'm going to reverse a number. Okay, my number can be any number, no? Reversing program to reverse a number. Just write for that. Fine. Reversing a number. Okay, so let's let the number be. Of course, I'm going to deal with integers. Integer n. I'm going to read this from console. Okay. Now I need to find the reverse. So int reverse n I'm defining. Now while n greater than 0, okay. Here do I need to keep track of how much time I'm going for me to reverse this? Do I need to? Can anyone answer? Do
Maybe yes, sir.
Sir, I couldn't understand.
what?
I couldn't understand the question, sir.
So
I'm
can you
going to
repeat the
reverse a
question?
number. I want to reverse a number. I need to print the reverse of a number. I need to print the reverse of a number. Imagine if I'm given a number, say 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to print 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? This much you understood. I'm given 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to print 4, 3, 2, 1. Do I need to keep track of how many times I'm doing in my loop? For example, if I don't know, this is simple algorithm, but see,
Maybe we need to track.
I just need to print.
Okay.
See this here, okay? Actually, I don't need this also. So here, let some value. Okay, I need this. Okay, no, I don't need this. Print f percentile d, comma n percentile 10. N is equal to n by 10. What will I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Did everyone
sir?
see this? See this?
How it's happening?
Output. How it is happening?
Yes, sir.
Printf. Wait, let me just put this. The reverse is okay. One, two, three, four. Okay. Okay, so how this is happening is first I'm taking what is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, guys, let's do the execution here. 1, 2, 3, 4. First I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4 percentile 10. What will be my answer here?
4, sir.
Then what am I doing? I'm dividing 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now my value of n is how much? 1, 2, 3. Now what am I doing? Again, n percentile 10. How much? 3. Okay. Now n I'm dividing again by 10. So now n is 12. Okay. Now n percentile 12. How much? 2. And I'm dividing 12 by 10. How much will I get? 1. Okay. So n is equal to 1. Now n percentile 10. How much? 1 percentile 10 is 1. So first it printed 4. See, it printed 4, then it printed 3, then it printed 2, then it printed 1. Now, if I put, say, a incremental counter here or something, don't I need to know how big the value of n will be, how much digits are there in n, or something, if my algorithm did. If I wanted that, I didn't need to count how many places are there because it will always do this. No, for example, even how big number I give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, within reason. 9, 10, 9. See, I don't need to know how big the number is. I just need to find reverse, which is just I didn't need to keep track of the counter. But if I needed to keep track of counter, for example, remember our this table. Here I needed to keep track of the counter. I needed to keep track of k. Like 1 into 1, 1 into 2. There was something which was increasing. I needed to keep track what I am there in. I need to keep track. Then I use for loop. And I don't need a use of while loop. And have whoever asked me the question, have you understood now?
Yes, sir. Now it is.
Yes.
Good. Any other doubt, guys?
Sir, maximum of 3 numbers. How can I do that with ternary operators?
Maximum of 3 numbers. Okay. So you have something like int a equal to 10, int b is equal to 9, int c equal to 12, right?
Okay.
Huh? And let's put, I mean, int max is equal, of course you can assign the same variable somewhere, but yeah, let's put this max for readability. So what should be the first thing?
A greater than B, then A.
Okay. First of all, if let's take 2 numbers, it should be greater than everyone, no?
Yes.
Yes, it will be greater than everyone. So if something is greater, so let's see. Let's do this by let's compare B and C. Okay.
Okay.
Let's compare B and C. Now B greater than C. If B is greater than C, then what should I get?
B.
Otherwise, I should get
C.
C. Now, if A is greater than, this will be something which is, see, this would come out what? Greater of
Either
these
B
two,
or C.
है ना?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this would be, then this is my new condition. Okay. I'm trying to do this in one line. It would look a bit crowded now, but let's do this. Go ahead. Now A greater than this one is greater than this. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is my new. Now if A is greater than whatever comes out here, huh?
It will be A.
Maximum, है ना? A. Otherwise, what will be my answer? This one.
The previous, yes. But sir,
Just use.
isn't it too big?
Yeah, that's the reason we have if else statements, no?
Okay. I have done the same thing. I am asking if there is any other way to make it short.
Internally,
Yeah.
I mean, why? This is a logic. You can implement it in any way. I mean, let's think. Mm, you have. Um, mm, mm. No, I don't see one. If you can tell C, then tell me, please. Has everyone understood this on the call? Has everyone understood this? I mean, why this is he wanted to do only using ternary. So that is the reason like this. I wouldn't suggest you to do this as in I would suggest you use if else statement because once if you imagine you want to go read back your code, isn't this too much of a mouthful to read? If
Yeah.
it is an if else statement, you can clearly see what your logic is. And it is not that this is faster than if and else. No.
Yeah,
In
internally it
ternary
is
it is
executing if else statements.
if so yeah. Any other doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt regarding to graded assignment week 3. May I ask?
Sure. Please ask. You can ask any doubt. When from week up till week 4, you can ask any doubt.
Sir, there is a
Which one?
question number 9, week 3 of graded assignment.
Graded assignment.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. Okay.
Yes. Sir, I am not able to solve this type of question of all the assignments.
Okay. Can I ask which part are you confused in?
Sir, I am not able to understand the question. Means how to
You need to
solve
find
it.
the out. You need to find the out. This is the question, no? Ninth question, like I'm sharing.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood postfix increment? I
So,
explained
sir,
it just now in the call. This A plus plus, what will A plus plus be? No, this A plus plus, let me just take this out to replicate. This is the program, no? Yes?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, let's see. What is the value of A?
The screen
5.
is not big.
Sorry. This is the value of A. This is 5.
Yes, sir.
And what C's value is not given yet. Okay? Now here we are
Yes.
finding the value of C. Now C is postfix. This is remember this is postfix. In postfix, first assignment happens, first evaluation happens. Okay? What is A? A is 5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
A is 5. Now let's do here. First step evaluation. We are evaluating what is after plus is equal to. Is equal to A is now 5. So I'm going to put there 5. Now A is incremented A plus plus, which means how much is A? Which means A is equal to 6. Now this one which what we evaluated first is assigned to C. So then C is equal to 5. If it was C is equal to plus plus A, then first what will be the evaluation? First this gets evaluated. The evaluation of this is what? A becomes 6. Is 6. Then assignment happens. C is equal to 6. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, A plus plus and plus plus A both are same.
No. In A, but A's value will increase, but it won't be assigned to C. If you want to remember, see this. No, C is equal to A plus plus. What is close to equal to sign? This is the trick to remember. What is close to equal to sign? A, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a trick. I have explained post increment, post fix increment. You go back and check today's session only. I've explained it detailedly. A is nearer to equal to sign, just so then put that value. So that A is 5, so C is 5 now. Okay. Here is equal to is farther is equal to is here, then there is plus plus A. So let plus plus A finish first, then you assign. So plus plus A is what, 6, then C is equal to 6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Trick to remember. But this is not
Yes.
the actual. I've given detailed theory on it, but this is a trick. Any other doubt?
Sir, V3 question number 3. Graded assignment.
Sure. Which part didn't you understand?
Sir, what are identifiers in C language?
Well, identifier is nothing but how can you name a variable in C? How can you name a variable? Variable. How can you give a name to a variable? I've given here A, no? Huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In C, int A is equal to 3. Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
But can I do 1?
No, sir.
Can I do but int A1 equal to 23?
No, sir.
You can't. I can't do. I can do. I can also do this.
Okay, sir.
This is a variable. This is not your number.
Okay, sir.
So how can I name? Can I do this? Int dollar no. Can I? I can. See? Okay. This is how. So this is possible. Okay.
Yes.
But yeah, but normally you don't use this. You don't use this, but forget that I said that. Only these are the following valid ways. Okay. Fine. You can have underscore not at the starting. You can have underscore at the starting and anywhere. You can have numbers not at the starting. Okay. Then you can have A and Z, capital or capital or small letter as variable names. Okay. These are identifier as identifier. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
That is it. So I think so we have come to an end on today's session. If anyone has any doubt, I'm happy to take it up.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please ask.
Yes, sir. Sir, in mock assignment, question number 9, the output will be an error, na?
Question number 9. I'm not going to give you exact answer, but okay. Why will this be an error?
So because x is redefined, na? Because
Why?
in first line we define int x equals to 8, and in third line we redefine the x
Yes, it's an
again.
error. Yes.
So how can we write?
I would say don't imagine there is a misprint. Okay.
Okay. So int will
Always.
be removed in third line.
Yeah. But yes, you are right. It is a misprint. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Yeah, you can't. That's an error. Yes. Signed int variable, guys. Learn what is signed int, unsigned int, complement. Just make sure you learn the ranges of them. Okay.
So can you just tell me the range of 16 bit minus and plus, the highest and the lowest? I just
Is it
want to confirm whether what I'm thinking is right. So
okay? You can have in two's complement. Okay. You can have maximum is defined. 16 bit. No. How many bits do you have to represent the? How many bits do you have to represent the magnitude of the number? Two's complement. How many bits do you, if it is 16, how many bits do you have to represent magnitude of the number? 15 bits, no?
yeah. The MSB sign. Yeah.
LSB, you have 15 bits.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Barabar.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you get 2 power 15 minus 1.
Sir, I'm seeing the mock quiz. Are you writing somewhere?
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, can you see this?
Yeah.
In 2's complement, it is 15 LSB bits and 1 MSB bit.
Yeah.
And in 2 power, so you get total 2 power 15 minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Now, mute yourself here. There is a lot of background noise from yourself. I'll explain. Okay. Now, in two's complement, maximum negative number you can represent is, yes, there is one MSB bit negative, but that will also come in calculation of two's complement. You need to know that. So it will be 2 power 15 there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus 2 power 15. Sorry. Minus 2. This is in two's complement.
Okay.
In signed bit, it is not like that. You just have MSB, LSB. Okay. There MS if in sign, if it is 0 or 1, that is only what you check. Huh? And LSB is represent. That would be 2 power 15 minus 1, 2 power 15 minus 1. Okay. Is it understood?
Okay, so even in signed bit representation, it is
No. Signed bit is actually no. In signed bit is nothing but 2's complement only. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Signed bit is 2's complement only.
Okay.
Okay. So your answer will be this one. Okay, I'm talking about 1's complement. I hope I've not given an answer to something, but yeah.
No.
Okay. This is it. All right. So good luck for your exams. This is our last session before your exam. I don't know. Do you guys have any other session other than this?
Yes, sir. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yes, sir, there are, I guess, 2 more C programming sessions before Quiz-1.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
that, attend every session and go through the mock quiz. Solve them. You'll get more clarity. Okay. All right, guys. Nice. Let's end. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for attending. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Thank you.